You know the sound, but if you need to be humming all the time.
No need to line up at the fuel station. Once you charge it, you have about 400 kilometers of pure electric charge. No emissions, no smoke, very quiet. And the electric engine has far less moving parts than the traditional petrol engine. So in our culture where we don't really like maintenance, this will go for hundreds of thousands of miles with no problem.
What happened to the charging points?
The charging point?
Do we have in Nigeria?
Well, the beauty about
battling with electricity.
Yes, the beauty about this one, Honorable, is that it charges. There, and this goes into any wall outlet that is good for AC or refrigerator. 220, 230, any normal outlet. So there's the inbuilt charger that comes with this vehicle. It takes about 8 to 9 hours.
8 to
9 hours
to charge
overnight. There's a fast charger that cuts it down by 50%. So in about 3 to 4 hours you're fully charged. And there's an even super charger that'll bring it down to maybe 1 hour or less. You can run about 482 kilometers. Enjoy.
Or do they carry a pass my neighbor generator in the boot?
No. On your way, what do you do?
On your way, we're working on building charging stations along the way. Right now we're doing 3 pilot programs with 3 universities. University of Lagos, University of Nigeria in Nsukka, University of Auditor University. We will understand the challenges of superchargers, and then we hope to expand it in collaboration with the private sector to all sectors, to all localities in Nigeria. This, we believe, will slowly begin to take over from petrol stations. Yes, because Nigeria is signatory to the 2016 Paris Accord, which says that Nigeria must bring down the levels of harmful gas emissions. And the quickest way to do that and meet those targets is with electric vehicles such as this one. Yes, for the common man, we're working with Wema, Jaiz, and Zenith to provide single-digit financing for made in Nigeria or assembled in Nigeria vehicles. We believe that will help Nigerians buy not just this type of vehicle, but many other vehicles produced by Innoson, Honda, Elizade, Dangote Sina Trucks, Dangote Peugeot. Comparatively speaking, it's a little bit more expensive, but you gain that over time because there's no running cost in buying petrol, no fuel change, no filter change, and the engine itself is good for at least 500,000 to 1 million miles. This is the auxiliary battery just to get it started, but it has the main lithium-ion batteries in the floor, and those bring the center of gravity lower. It gives the vehicle more stability in corners and it's safer. Well, the warranty is for at least 5 to 10 years. So that's just a warranty, meaning that the technology is made to last even longer than that. The battery is not yet made in Nigeria, but we're working towards more local content. That is why we're building 3 automotive industrial parks in Ede, in Kaduna, and in Inewi, so that we can promote local content production. We're working with 3 universities. We will use those for technology transfer. We've also completed the construction of 6 automotive training centers, 1 in each geopolitical zone. We hope to build more. We'll use those centers for more technology transfer. This one is about 24 million naira.
You know the sound, but if you need to be humming all the time.
The battery is orange, meaning that if anything goes wrong within that period, in the campus.
There is one.
Are you going to say okay? So start small. Show Hey, my brother, how you doing now? I want you to come. You wait.